Okay, hi everyone. Hi grade 9. I miss you so much. I understand that this vacation was long. I have no idea. I'm sure that some of you are feeling happy because we have long vacation. Other people are feeling worried about the curriculums and the lessons and how we are going to finish it. So this is my first trial to do something like that. I will try to guide you through the science lessons of our book of this term, and let's start. This is the first unit, and the first lesson is called the chemical reactions. Okay, let's see what we have here. Well, this is the first question that we must have in mind. I mean, why do we study chemical reactions and why chemical reactions are very important in our life? In this picture, you will see the burning of fuel. Burning means the combining of the fuel with the oxygen to produce heat and light, energy, of course. So the burning of fuel is considered a chemical reaction. Think of your life. Try to come up with examples of why burning fuel is important in our life. Okay, we cook. Without burning fuel, we cannot cook. The heating, of course, producing light, of course. So we have so many things to consider here. This is the first point about why the chemical reactions are important in our life. Okay, can you guess? This is the photosynthesis process, and I'm sure that you are asking why photosynthesis process is very important, or what does it have to do with the chemical reaction. Actually, the photosynthesis process is a chemical reaction. We combine carbon dioxide and we combine water to produce the glucose that turns into starch and stored inside the plant in order to manufacture its food. So photosynthesis process is a kind of chemical reaction. Without the photosynthesis process, we will not have plants. Without the plants, there will be no animals, and of course, no plants, no animals, no food for the human. This is the second thing. So the first important reason, or the first importance about chemical reaction is burning fuel in our life, and the second one is the photosynthesis process. Okay, let's see if we can come up with another importance. Well, the medicine. All the types of medicine that we are having is a result of chemical reaction. So without chemical reactions, we cannot have medicines, and without having medicines, we can stay ill for long times. Okay, this is another reason. It's the fertilizers. We manufacture fertilizer by doing chemical reactions. Without chemical reactions, no manufacture of fertilizers, and without fertilizers, our plants will be weak and maybe die. So what is a chemical reaction? According to your book, a chemical reaction is like two steps. We have reactants and we have products. If we are going to have a chemical reaction, this means that we will break the bonds that exist in the reactants and produce new bonds in the products. Let's try to see an example. If we see here A and B, this is a chemical reaction. Inside the A atoms, I have chemical bonds. Inside the B atoms, I have chemical bonds. In order to have a chemical reaction, these bonds are broken to form new ones in the products. This one here might be very clear than the previous one. I have a bond here that's connecting A element with B element. In order to have a chemical reaction, I'm breaking this bond to form other two compounds. So this is a chemical reaction. These here, A and B, are considered the reactants before the arrow. A and B after the arrow are considered product. So if I want to have a chemical reaction, then I'm going to break some chemical bonds in the reactants and form new bonds in the products. And this was the first page of your science book, page 2. Thank you very much.